Hiker hears rumors about strange noise on mountain, climbs up and makes a shocking discovery. Trinity Smith was browsing Facebook one day when she saw a post that caught her eye. It was about a strange sound coming from the rugged slopes of Mount Bros. Apparently it sounded something like crying coming from high above the tree line. Unable to shake her curiosity and the growing worry that someone or something might be in trouble, Trinity decided to investigate. Her first hike up the mountain brought little clarity. She called out, but no sound answered her, and after hours of searching, she had to turn back. Still, she couldn't forget the faint, mysterious sound others had described. Determined to try again, Trinity enlisted the help of her boyfriend, Sean Nichols, the next morning. The two set out early, and for hours they searched, calling out. But just when they were beginning to lose hope, they finally heard it. A faint, pitiful cry coming from somewhere above them. The sound was weak, but it was enough to guide them. Finally, they came across the source of the noise. It was a dog, emaciated and trembling, stranded on a precarious ledge. Chloe, a 13-year-old dog, had gone missing 6 weeks earlier. According to her owners, she had run off with another younger dog. But while the younger dog had eventually found its way home, Chloe hadn't returned. Her family had searched the mountainside for weeks, but after so long, they had feared the worst. Trinity and Sean worked together to carefully lift Chloe and carry her down the mountain. She was barely recognizable, her once healthy 90-pound frame now reduced to just 26 pounds. But she was alive, and after being stranded for over a month, she was finally on her way home. At the base of the mountain, Chloe's owners were waiting, crying with relief as they reunited with their beloved dog. Against all odds, Chloe had survived the harsh wilderness, and thanks to Trinity and Sean's persistence, she was finally safe again.